Welcome to this tutorial on updating a project and Reclamation's instance of ProjectFirma. Before you can begin a project update, please log into the application. Let's take a quick look at the draft, review, approve process by which a project update becomes official record. A draft of the project is first submitted, where it is then reviewed by administrators. If that update is approved, those changes to a project are recorded within the system. Now that we have an idea of the update process, I'm going to make an update on this limb high complexity project I created in a previous tutorial. From the project detail page, I can initiate the update workflow. From here, I can edit the various attributes of the project that I wish to change. Here I've set the project to the implementation stage and changed a few dates. I can hop around to different places in the update workflow by clicking on the category names. Because I've updated this project to be in the implementation stage, I can now capture actual accomplishments and expenditures for the project. Now that I've made some changes, I'm ready to submit this update. But before I do, I'll capture a note that details the changes that I've made during this update process. All right, now I'm ready to submit this update. Now that the project update has been submitted, as an administrator, I can review it. From the instructions page, I can initiate the review of the update, and I'm taken to the same workflow we saw before. From here, I can locate the sections that have changes by the flag icons. When I navigate to one of these sections and click the Show Changes button, I can see a detail of the changes that have been made. Now that I've taken a detailed look at the changes that were made during the update workflow, I can either return this update with notes as to why, or approve the update, and the changes become official for the project. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to update a project in Reclamation's instance of ProjectFirma. If you have any questions, please reference the training materials or request support through the Help tab.